So on this particular topic, you want to plug in the value for y everywhere that you see a y here. So when you see the y squared, you want to make sure that you're squaring the number that's given. So we're going to do -2 squared, which means -2 times -2, which is 4, plus 5 times -2 is -10, and then plus 1. So this is going to be 4 plus a -10 is -6, plus 1 becomes a -5. You can use a calculator for these if that's something you would like to do, and I'll show you how to do that on the next one. So let's see, we're going to do another practice. Now I'm going to write the problem down here so that when I go to the Desmos, I'll be able to see the problem. And in this case, n equals 6. Okay, so if I come over to Desmos, oh, it's because I'm annotating. Hang on a second. Okay, there we go. So there we go. So I'm going to plug in 6. I put in my parentheses, type in the number they gave me, and then square that, minus 5, and then put in parentheses the number they gave me, 6, and then I have a minus 5. So the answer would be 1. And when you go back, you can type in 1. There you go. So using Desmos can also, you just need to make sure that you're putting in parentheses what's been asked. So let me write down the problem again. We'll use Desmos again. X squared minus 7x minus 8, and x equals -4. Okay, that's a 4 there. We're just going to have to realize that. And we'll come over to Desmos and we'll type in -4 squared. We'll type in a -4 here. Then I have minus, that's going to be a 7. I have a -4 here, and then I'm going to change this to an 8. My answer is 36. So I'll come back to Alex, I'll type in 36, and it should be good to go. Let's do one more. I kind of like using the Desmos because then I can just make sure that I am plugging everything in correctly. You just want to make sure that that you're using parentheses everywhere where there's a variable. Equals 2. So let's see, we're going to plug in 2 here. This becomes a 5, and that's a 2. And then that was a +2, so I need to change that. Just make sure. Okay, so -4. Come in here, type -4. And that's the end of the lesson. So I'm hoping that this is it helps you understand this a little bit better, and just let me know if you need any more help on this. Okay, thank you. Good luck.